Okay, this is a Poreba heavy-duty engine lathe, model TPK90A/3M. It's 36-inch swing, 118-inch centers. It has a removable gap with 49-inch swing in the gap. It's serial number 0207-036-07, and it's new in 1986. You got hard in the ground ways. That's your removable gap. You have a taper turning attachment, a height and hind digital readout, heavy duty tailstock, that's a 4-way turret tool post. And Angel is going to run her for you.
We have a low range on the spindle right now.
Okay.
Here first.
Okay. He's feeding it longitudinally. I'll show it to you on the digital readout. Again, this is an inch metric digital readout. Cross. Also on the digital readout. By the way, this machine also has a power compound as well as a taper, so you can do taper through the power compound, and you can do taper through the taper attachment. That's the power compound right now going.
Also, we can go wrapping mode.
So he's wrapping in the compound, he's wrapping in the cross slide. Again, there's the DRO on the cross slide. He's wrapping in the carriage. Again, the ways, very, very clean. Okay.
Now we're going to show feet.
That's the brake, by the way. So different speed, a lower speed. It's even a lower speed. You have speeds from, reverse. You have speeds from 14 RPM up to 710. Eric, you do me a favor, have him shut off the forklift for now. This is a high speed range. Okay. Forward and reverse. Yep, 2-speed motor. Okay, so you've seen some high and some low and some medium different speeds. We showed the taper. We haven't showed threading yet. Now we got the lead screw turning. Gauge the half nut, and we're threading. Okay. Show the tail stocks spindle move out. That's that. And you got 2-speed tail stock. There you go. That's rapid on the tail stock. And okay, I'm going to show you some of this. We've got 2 steady rests over there and a follow rest. You have a larger 4-jaw chuck. You have a 3-jaw chuck. The coolant pans, the coolant motor. You have a center for the headstock. You have a chuck guard. I'm going to show you over here the year of the machine is 1986. You have inch-end metric threading. Machine's original paint. Thank you for watching the video.